Hi guys, it's another beautiful day in Paris. I'm just outside of Bottega. I'm about to head in. This video is in collaboration with Squarespace, an all-in-one platform to create a beautiful website. So follow me inside, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. It helps me out so much, and there's gonna be so much Paris content coming. So hopefully you enjoy this store tour of Bottega on Rue Saint-Honoré in Paris. Is it okay if I come here from Canada to show everything? Thank you so much. All right, I can't wait to show you the cassette bags. So, love this grass green. I don't know if this is like a creamy yellow or if it's just cream. It's very pretty. This great green one here. This is like a patenty one. This one, I think you can tell it's like a kind of like a yellow. This gorgeous metallic over here. Very fluffy one. Really pretty little totes. And I think these are new, these ones? Yeah. It's new. It's called flap. The flap. I love it with the flap and the gold detail. It's very nice. I know you have a cassette bag with the little gold, similar. It's nice.
Yeah, it's all the grainy ones, like this one.
Oh, yeah. Is this a yellow or a cream? I can't tell. It's yellow, yeah.
It's washed lemon.
It's beautiful. Washed lemon. It's gorgeous. I love that. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And is that new as well?
Yeah, this rubber collection is new since like 2 weeks ago.
What's the name?
Oswaldman, it's by the Jodie.
Okay, the Jodie.
Yeah.
So like Jodie, Judy.
Yeah.
I love the Jodie.
No, it's the same. Jodie, sorry.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same. I thought it was new.
Padded.
And it doesn't have the knot though.
No, it's padded with lemon.
Okay.
And it's rubber.
Oh, I can pick it up?
Yeah, of course.
So this is rubber.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Canada, Toronto. Are you from Paris?
No, from Lyon.
Lyon. Oh, I love Lyon. I was there in October. Yeah, I went there in
Did you
October.
like it?
I did. It's
Yeah.
very beautiful. It's really, really gorgeous. I love this green one.
Yeah.
It is really nice. I was only there for a day though. One day. Yeah.
Okay.
I wish I could go back, not this trip, but you know, next time. Next time.
It's a nice city.
It's beautiful. And how do you like Paris? How do you like Paris?
Oh, I do like it. I came for work and then I stayed here.
Yeah.
Almost 1 year.
Yeah.
More than 1 year.
Yeah.
More.
There's always things to do, like.
Yeah, always.
Always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Very job opportunities.
Yes. Absolutely. Yes. I love these little mini dumpling bags over here. Look at all the fun spring colors. Love that, and the orange. So pretty. This is very fun over here. They have so many amazing greens. I love these little mini cassette bags. They're so sweet. And they also have little wallets over there. And these ones over here. The ready to wear is really pretty as well. Very eclectic. And then these ones over here. Love the Intrecciato. This one over here is really pretty. Let me show you. This one's very cool. I love the lemon yellow. Very, very pretty. Love the little knot details. What do you think about this bag? I love this big tote. This is like the perfect little picnic tote. It's a very cool shape as well. You know, it's a little bit longer and I guess shorter than your typical tote, right? It's gorgeous, just in black. Even in the fun green color, it would be so pretty. And then they have my favorites, the mini Jodies. This is such a fun color over here. I know these are gonna fall over, so I won't touch that. But these, so pretty. Let me show you this color here. Super soft leather. And I also love the little gorgeous. Zip pull, and the gold. Such a great bag. So as I mentioned earlier, this video is in partnership with Squarespace, and I would honestly love so much if I inspired even just one person, let alone several of you guys watching, to start your passion project. Whether that's a fashion blog or selling your own line of jewelry, Squarespace lets you turn any idea into a business. Squarespace has all the tools to let you sell your products, whether you sell physical items or digital products. I've tried lots of different website builders, and in my experience, Squarespace has the easiest to use website builder. They also have pre-built layouts and customizable templates. And also every website is optimized for mobile. Your content automatically adjusts so your website looks amazing on any device, whether that's your phone, computer, tablet. So head to squarespace.com/doublevanilla for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, you can use my code doublevanilla to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code. I love this bag. I think it's a classic. You know, it's a pretty timeless piece. Obviously it's very trendy, but I think it's pretty classic. And it's so comfortable to just hold like this. Fun pop of color. Very spring, summer. And let me put that back there. It's gorgeous. What's upstairs?
Shoes and ready to wear.
Shoes and ready to wear, okay. I might have to check that out. And then, oh, they have more of the rubber Jodie bag. What do we think of the rubber ones? I mean, that is so interesting. The new Bottega is such an eclectic brand. Really different, and I definitely appreciate it. They've got so many great things. I think I'm gonna show you the shoes. It's a beautiful boutique. My first time inside this one on Faubourg. Wow, look at the furniture. That is amazing. Look at that. Very 70s. And then there's shoes. This is a really fun color over here. So what do we think of these platform shoes? You know, there's the Valentino ones, the Versace ones. I think out of all of them, I do like probably the Valentino ones best. But yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think of this. And some crystals. All started with Prada and their crystals, and now everyone has crystals. These kind of like terry cloth ones with a bow. Very cute. The colors are so bright and fun. I love these tire boots. These are so cool. Fun pop of orange. These are interesting. Not a fan, but you know, they're a work of art. What can I say? And these are very sporty with a buckle. Nice platform. Ooh, and then we've got the ready to wear. These over here, I do like these a lot actually. These ones are very pretty. And they wrap all up your ankle. And again, it's that very pale yellow color. They look like they'd be comfortable, very soft leather, and I love the color. I think that would actually be really pretty. It's great. Raincoats. Ooh, and there's more of these cassette bags, which I love these colorways over here. This is like a patenty one. So pretty. Gorgeous. So pretty. And then I think I'm just going to show you a few more. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you a few more wallets before I leave. Such a great boutique. That's pretty much it. Alrighty, let's head out. Merci beaucoup. Merci, au revoir. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Big thank you to Squarespace. Make sure that you use my code DoubleVanilla10 when you want to purchase your first website or domain, squarespace.com/doublevanilla. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more Paris content. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.